नमस्कार मित्रों। आज के सत्र में हम उ ऊ दोनों वॉवल्स के सिंबल की बात करेंगे और साथ ही सीखेंगे कॉन्सोनेंट्स यानी व्यंजन प फ ब भ म। Here you can see the vowel U and the symbol in red color. You can see when we add this symbol to any consonant, we add the sound U to it. Like the first word example we have kuch, that means some. Ka has the symbol of U. Then jhuk, jha has the symbol of U. Dhula, dha has the symbol of U. Bura, ba has the symbol of U, and bun, again ba has the symbol of U. Now we can see the sentences. Gudiya khush thi, ga and kha has the symbol of U. Chuhiya ki dum lambi thi, in chuhiya cha and in dum the has the symbol of U. तुम चुपचाप सुन रही थी, 3 words has the symbol of U. Letter t, letter ch and letter s has the symbol of U. Then there is a special mention when we are adding U to r, then the addition is a little different. It goes after the consonant, not under the consonant. Then we can see some more words in yellow box. You can see kuan, then gud, then katputli. Then in the sideline you can see dhuan, bulbul, murli, gulab, kachua. All the words has the symbol of U in red color. You can notice that. The consonants, the alphabets we today have are P, Ph, B, Bh, M. तो आज की व्यंजन है प फ ब भ म। प से हमारे पास शब्द हैं पका, पकड़। फर्स्ट कॉलम पका, पकड़। सेकंड कॉलम फ से हमारे पास शब्द हैं फड़क, फन। Then in the third column bana, bata. In the fourth column with bha we have bhai, bhap. In the last column with ma we have makan, mazak. And under the fa you can see we have one more alphabet, that is fa. Pha and fa. That is out of the box, that is fa. That means skill. And the same word fun means cobra hood, but fun means skill. And you can also see the words and the pictures. Kuan, gud, Katputli, Kachua, Gulab, Murli, Bulbul, Dhuan. We are revising the U matra, the symbol of U in all these pictures and the words. लर्निंग मोर एंड मोर न्यू वर्ड्स, नए नए शब्द याद रखना हमेशा किसी भी नई भाषा को सीखने के लिए बड़ा सहायक है। इज़ ऑलवेज हेल्पफुल टू लर्न एनी न्यू लैंग्वेज। सो वी हैव मैनी न्यू वर्ड्स हियर विद प, फ, ब, भ, म। बिफोर दैट वी विल लर्न द सिंबल ऑफ ऊ। You can see in the red the symbol of U, and all the words in the table also have the symbol of U. You can notice in the first column we have pooch, puja, pura. Pa has the symbol of U. Second column we have phool, phoot, poohad. Pha has the symbol of U. In the third column Ba has the symbol of U. Boo, booj, boodha. Fourth column bhoora, bhool, bhoomi. And the fifth column mool, mood, moorat. So the red symbol you can notice and learn that this is the symbol of U. Then we have 3 sentences. वह लड़का मूढ़मती नहीं था। भालू की पूंछ ऊपर उठी, कभी झूठ न कहना। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस सेशन। स्टे होम एंड सेव लाइफ। यह सत्र देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। घर पर रहें और ज़िंदगी बचाएं।